Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can fix the blank icon problem in Windows 10. So currently I am using Windows 11, that's why I am going to show you guys the whole process through a remote desktop connection where I have installed Windows 10. So there are like 2 or 3 fixes to this problem. So basically, if you are like using a old version of Windows 10 by your choice, then you might like face this bug, and you might want to like fix this bug and not update to later versions of Windows 10 or 11. So that's why I'm like making this video. So the first thing you can do is like manually change the icon where like the icon is showing blank. For example, if this icon was showing blank, you have to like click on that and click on properties. By the way, even if the icon was blank, there will be like a text below, so you have to click on that and click on properties. Then here you will find customize option. From here you have to click on change icon, and from here you can select the like matching icon with the text and like simply click on OK. So that's how you basically like change an icon. So you can see it generated an icon. So you can fix that blank icon problem by doing this. This is one of the options, and another option is to like restart the file explorer on Windows 10. For that you have to like open task manager, and you have to open a file explorer folder, and from here you just have to click on it and click on restart. In this way your problem might be fixed as well. If these two like solution doesn't work, then there is one last solution. For that you have to open your CMD, the command prompt, then basically you have to open your like file explorer and go to this PC, then go to local disk C, and you have to go to Windows. Like basically you have to like open a folder or like get address of a folder and like copy it. Then in CMD you have to type cd space, then you have to paste that option, the address you have copied, and click enter. So once you like redirect it to this site by typing this, then it will like show like this. In here you have to type this command SFC space /scan now, then you have to press enter. So it will generate a system scan. So once the scan has been finished, your problem will get fixed. So I'm not going to continue this because it takes some time, the video will be longer, but you have to try this option. This is the like final fix. If it doesn't work, you should update your Windows, or simply you just can like customize the icon. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.